Hello everyone. In a previous video, we discussed about how to create a section within this notebook 2025. We can create a multiple section and we can create a section group. That is what we discussed in a previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a page, multiple pages, and within a page, how to create a sub page, and the formatting of a format, different type of formatting in a page. That is what we are going to discuss. So let's say we have a page as a day one, and within that day one, if we are adding a new page, and I'll give it a name as a. So let's say if I want to move this page in this with the day one page. So what I'll do is I'll just right click on the page and I will mark this as a sub page. You see, this A is within a day one. So let's say day one is a project. Within day one, we have a multiple projects, the minor projects within that major day one project. So this way we can track it. So this is one way. At this moment, I don't need it, so I will delete that. Now, another thing is date. So now we have a date option here in a page. So you can just change it here. Select the date. Just click here. Just change the date, whichever you want. That way. The same thing you can do on the time as well. Change it if you want. Or what you can do is if you don't want the time itself, just select and click on delete. It will get deleted, and if you want it back, just Control Z. You will get that back. So this is what you can do within a page. And the next thing we can discuss is we are going to discuss the container within a page. So let's say this is when what we typing, right? So this is called container, the entire area in the box in which we are typing. This is the page container. So this way we can create a multiple container. Let's say we want a side by side name, right? Uh, uh, right. We want side by side pages. Now let's say now that way. So this is the another container. You see. Now this is the name. This is another container with the area. So that way we can create a multiple container using which we can make it side by side. If you want, you can drag it down here. So all this thing we can do in a OneNote. So one more thing I want to highlight is here, right? If you just hit a enter, you can just type as many as word. I mean, as of now, there's no limit that I remember. But if you see the Word document, right, Microsoft Word document, if you keep hitting a enter, it will go on the second page. But in this OneNote, no, it will stay on the same page and within a container. So that way it works. And what you can do is you can just combine this into a single container. So I'll just cut it from here. I'll just paste it. Control V. So that container is gone. So this is how it is. And let's take an example that you don't want this container. So what you can do is there's a container. Now you go to file, go to option, and that in a display just click remove this click show node container. You see the container is gone. It's a simple word file. So that way you can remove a container if you don't want it. I'm going to add it back. So this is how you can add it. Now you can now you see the four arrow. You can just move your container anywhere you want, or you can just resize it. This is what you can do using this arrow key. Now if we talk about the formatting, right? So within this container, if you select this one, let's say I'm selecting a first name Jason. So here you can just bold it. You can use either this way, or you can just select here under the ribbon. So now within this container, what we can do is you can select it and make it as a bold, and then you can just use this italic. So it will just, or I'll do is I'll make Marvin as a italic. So that way Arizona I can make it as a yellow color highlight. So this is the formatting. This way you can format it the way you want. Or what you can do is you can just make this way. Yep. So you can align it if you the way you want. Now you see the format got changed for everything, or Orlando. That you can just use the strike through. So this will be helpful. Let's say when you're making a daily notes. So I have a 10 tasks for a day to complete. So whichever tasks are completed, I can mark it as a strike through. So you can use this and that consider that as a done. So that will be easy to track what is pending. Now, one more thing I would like to show you is you can use this bulletin if you want, like whichever you prefer. You can do it this way, or you can use the number formatting, whichever you like. Now, let's say once you can use this gray area when if you want to select, if you want to make a change on this entire section, you can just select it from gray area, and then if you go on a style, right, I'll just for now I'll just make it as a different color. So whichever style you select, it will get changed accordingly. You see, this heading got changed. And now if you select here, now if I want to make it normal, so instead of making it normal one by one, what I'll do is, so instead of this, I'll go to style and use this clear formatting. It will remove all the formatting I did to this page. Let me select here. See, everything back to normal. So instead of instead of modifying or correcting one by one, I can select this, go to style and clear format. It will clear. This will be helpful when you have a different, you are copying file from the Word or somewhere else to this OneNote. So there will be formatting might be different for each line or each paragraph. So you can put all these things into a single container and use this clear formatting. That will be helpful. And this for this section, this is what I wanted to show you. Now just to double check, I mean just to repeat, this is what we did. We created multiple pages. I'll just copy this. I just pasted it. So we created the multiple pages here. These are the pages. Sub page, the A, within a day one we created a page A. Change the date and time. This one, date and time, we changed it. Style, ribbon area, we use the bulletin, underline, strike through, color. All these things we tested from here. The style from this the style and clear formatting. So from here we did change this headline style, clear formatting, and create a multiple containers. Like this way we created multiple containers. So this is what I wanted to show you. Hope this video was helpful. If yes, please hit a like and subscribe this. It will be a small thing for you, but it will be a big help for me. Thank you.